This past weekend, my wife and I went for a ride with friends for the first time in almost a year. In this video, I'll tell you a little bit about our destination, Bok Tower Gardens. My wife and I have ridden by ourselves a few times in the past year, but all of the trips were out and back except for our trip to Gettysburg for Shark Week 10. Friends called us on the spur of the moment and asked if we wanted to ride with them to Bok Tower Gardens near Lake Wales, Florida. 3 of the 4 of us have had our shots, so we felt the risk was low enough to start back riding with friends. We meandered through Manatee and Polk counties, past lakes and orange groves. About half the oranges have been picked, and the sweet smell of the blossoms filled the air. We also passed a strawberry field that was being harvested. About 100 men were busy picking and running to and from the truck with their boxes. It's not easy work. At the gardens, we had a picnic lunch and listened to the carillon as we strolled through the gardens. Bok Gardens was built in the 1920s by Edward Bok, a Dutch immigrant who made his mark in publishing. He was the editor of Ladies' Home Journal for 30 years. He was also influential in transforming the architecture of affordable homes. He sold mail-order house plans for $5 and popularized the bungalow. He also ardently opposed the women's suffrage movement and used Ladies' Home Journal as a platform for his beliefs. The 205-foot-tall tower was designed by Milton B. Metairie and contains a 60-bell carillon. The gardens were designed by Frederick Law Olmsted, Jr., whose father designed New York's Central Park. If you're in Central Florida and looking for an interesting destination, I recommend a visit to Bok Tower Gardens. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.